you curious about how being alone can actually benefit you? Many of us are afraid that we cannot achieve anything we want in life if we are alone. I can't forget the time I felt so lost, so unmotivated, and so worried for my future when I first experienced life by myself, until I found a simple trick to deal with it. In today's video, you will discover exactly why being alone is actually great for you. You will know how to use this powerful time to build your skills and create your dream version of yourself, so you can grow confidently whether you are alone or with someone else along your journey in life. The bad news is you won't have much alone time anymore, because after this video you will become so magnetic that people will drawn to you and won't want to leave you. So let's get started by answering the question, why is being alone actually great for you? For as long as I can remember, I have always wanted to be around friends and family. The thought of being alone made me feel anxious. To me, it felt like loneliness. I tried on my friendship. We had dinners, went to the movies, and shopped together. Living with somebody meant I was never without company. But everything changed when my housemate relocated to the other country. Suddenly, I was alone for the first time in a long time. At first, I felt lost and didn't know how to fill my time. My usual routine stopped and the diet feels so long. How did I overcome that feeling? After quite some time feeling lost, I decided to take control. I forced myself to cook dinners and actually eat at the table. I even ventured out to buy groceries and do certain things by myself. As I settled into this new routine, an unexpected sense of clarity washed over me. I slowly began to realize that being alone wasn't as challenging as I had feared. In fact, it was liberating. I found a new sense of freedom in being alone. This silence became a canvas for my thoughts, allowing me to explore ideas and aspirations without distractions. It allows me to think deeper. I have a clear idea of what my strengths and flaws are. So if you are experiencing a time in your life alone, take this time as an opportunity and don't panic. The thing is, how do you do that? I have been there. I know exactly how it feels. Today, I will share with you 3 things you should pay attention to when you are alone, so you won't feel lost like I did. The first thing I call it is self-reflection. Use your alone time to reflect on your goals, no matter if they are big or small. You need to write them down. What specific area you always want to improve but didn't have time for? For example, I knew that my goals at that time were to improve my fitness, nurture my mental health, and boost my appearance, so I would feel more confident and happier from within. Choose skills development. After you know what exactly you want to improve, choose to develop at least one skill to achieve your goals faster. It could be learning how to use a computer properly at work so you can save time. You might also learn how to apply a simple makeup to enhance your appearance. There are so many skills that you can choose from. Consider taking on a project or learning a new language. Alone time is the perfect opportunity to achieve those goals without any distractions. For me, I decided to learn a new skill, painting. I initially believed I couldn't paint or that my work could be poor, but I want to prove to myself that this belief was incorrect. This is my painting. It's not too bad, right? At that point, I made the peace with myself, so I felt more confident. And I realized I could do anything if I truly want to. I pushed myself to go to the gym at first to achieve a fit body, which also brought a lot of benefits for my health. Even when working from home, I dressed well, wore my favorite fragrance, brought myself flowers, and lit a candle at the dining table, making it feel as though I have guests visiting. All of these actions support my goals, which are to improve appearance and fitness. 3. You have to stick to the plan. Once you know exactly what you want to improve and what you want to achieve, you need to stick to your plan long enough. Studies show that we need to practice a new skill for at least 21 days to develop a new habit. I tested this by going to the gym, and they were right. After about a month, it's become a habit. And now, over 3 years later, I continue to go to the gym as part of my routine. So trust the progress and have the strength to not give up. The proof is for no one but yourself. You can achieve your goals, and you are strong enough to do things without needing others to motivate you. This is when you build a strong relationship with yourself from within. Okay, after following the 3 steps I shared above, you will grow significantly compared to your previous self, and you will naturally attract others. People are drawn to those who have high self-esteem. You become so attractive when you can do anything by yourself. People will want to join you and will ask how you can accomplish it all. All of these reasons illustrates why being alone can be incredibly beneficial for you. At this stage, I call magnetism through authenticity. Now you know how to use solitude as an opportunity for your personal growth journey. You know exactly what to do by following the 3 simple steps above. If boosting your attractiveness is one of your goals, but you don't know where to start, go check out this video where I reveal 4 effortless habits to help you become insanely attractive. Just click here to watch it now. Thanks for listening. I hope you find your own strength in solitude. Click like to let me know you found my video helpful. It will motivate me to share more content like this. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Bye for now, and see you in my next video.